You're looking for a quick way to make some extra money this week? Stay tuned. I'm going to show you exactly how you can make an extra $1,100 this week for only $5. For only $5 to start. I've been doing these videos now this is my fifth week doing this, sharing this affiliate offer, this referral offer. And as you can see below, all these green boxes here, all these green thumbnails on my YouTube channel here, you can see the different amounts that have been on these different promotions. Okay, so you got 350, you got $1,400, you got 675, and you got 1,000, and now we have $1,100. Now, how do you go about getting this $1,100? It's super simple. The first thing you're going to do is you are going to go to my link in the description, and it's going to come up with a page that looks just like this. You can click right here on this Acorns Investment App, redeem for a $5 bonus. That's step one. All right, so let's come back over here. This week, Acorns Investment App is free to join, so go ahead and get your account. You're going to invest $5, just $5, which they're going to give you right back. Like, you don't have to pay for it. They're going to give it right back to you. And then you're going to go and refer 4 friends with your referral link. So they're going to give you your own link. You click on the button, and they're going to give you your own link that you can go share with other people that may need to make some extra money and may not have a lot of money to start with. So if you can come up with $5, you could participate in the promotion. Okay, now these change from week to week, as I showed you on my YouTube channel over here. We had a 350, a 1,400, a 675, and 1,000. Now, understand this. You pay your 500, they give you not 500, you pay your $5 and they give you your $5 back. Okay, so you're out zero. And you can participate in these promotions week after week after week. And if we were just to take only these promotions here, and if you were to take this seriously and you were to go refer the people you need to refer to meet the qualifications to get the money, you would have $3,425. And that's not including this month or this week's promotion, which is $1,100. So, when people say you need a lot of money to make money, that's not the truth. Here's an opportunity for you for $5. And again, you get the $5 back, and you go out and share this with 4 people. If they decide to get started, they get the app, they invest their $5. They're going to give you $5 for each person that invests, but they're also going to give you $1,100. Okay, so it's pretty insane if you think about it. I mean, imagine coming on here and you're like, you know what, I'm going to take these promotions seriously. Like, this is easy money. Like, I don't know how you can make this much money this easily with so little. And you take it seriously and you start knocking these promotions out of the park every week whenever they have them. They usually have them every week. This week's came a little later. It came on Monday. Usually it comes on Sunday. And it's for $1,100. So let's just go through it real quick. Okay, so how it works, you invite your friends to share a referral link, and your friends must use their own link to use your link to complete registration. Your friends invest $5 and you receive a reward. They're going to give you $5 when anybody you register on your link invests the $5. They're going to give you $5 for that. And then they're going to also give you, as I told you, the $1,100 into your investment account. Now you can take that money out if you choose to. You can leave it in. So let's go look what is Acorns. Okay, so join Paul at Acorns where you get your $5 bonus. And you can go and look at this page because this is where you're going to come. When you click on my link, this is the page you're going to see. So you're going to be able to go through here. You can redeem my offer, tap redeem my offer above to set up your Acorns account. Make your first investment in your future $5 minimum. Redeem your bonus investment and join over 10 million people who have used Acorns to invest. Redeem your bonus investment. They're going to give you $5. So you invest $5. They give you $5. Now, I'm not the best at math, but essentially that's $0 out of your pocket. So for $0 out of your pocket, you can participate in a referral program that pays out anywhere from hundreds of dollars to 1,000 plus dollars weekly. It's pretty insane if you think about it. So this is a great way, great opportunity for you to grow an investment account. Like if that's something you want to do, maybe you need some extra money. But you can read over on this page exactly what it is. It shows you here's another button, redeem my offer. So you make investing easy. It aims to aim for your goals, maximize your growth. Again, you can read over on this page. There's a video, what it is. There's a compound interest calculator. Down here, you got your frequently asked questions. That's going to go over exactly what the Acorns app is, how it will benefit you, and all that fun. Okay. So for me personally, I think it's amazing that you are able to make this much from a referral bonus, and it's not one time. This is ongoing. For as long as they have these promotions, you can participate in these promotions and you can make this money. And again, I wouldn't say $1,100 is small change. That could really help a lot of people and for referring for friends. So you just have to get it in front of some people. However you want to do that. Well, the easiest way to do this is just to reach out to people and go, hey, if I could show you a way where you could flip $5 into $1,100 this week, would you be open to learning about it? If they say yes, send them your link. That's it. That's all you got to do. Some will say yes, some will say no, some will go and sign up, some will invest, but if you send this to enough people, again, that's the easiest way to do it. You can also do videos. Like I do videos. I do a video every week sharing this opportunity because I think it's amazing. I know there's a lot of people that can use extra money that are really struggling right now, don't have a lot. They can't get into other types of opportunities that may cost a little bit more, but they could do $5 and you get the $5 back. So there's really nothing out of pocket you're losing here. You have everything to gain. The only thing you have to do is go out and share a great opportunity that could really benefit other people. And again, it doesn't cost them anything. So there's nothing out of pocket. You're just sharing the opportunity, an opportunity for them to grow their investment, their retirement, their savings, or just make some extra money. That's all you're doing. Okay. So like I said, I do videos. You can put this on TikTok. You can go on TikTok and make TikTok videos however you want to put up a Facebook post. The point is get the information in front of people. As I told you, the easiest way, the quickest way is just go reach out to some people. Hey, could you use an extra $1,100? What if it was only five? Very, very easy to do. The wording I would use is, hey, would you be open to learning how you could flip $5 into $1,100? I mean, that's a very attractive, very appealing. There's like very little resistance to that offer. If people say no, you just move on. When people say no, it's typically is obviously not the money because there's no money involved, right? $5 is nothing. You get the $5 back, so there's nothing there. But the only reason someone would say no is they're afraid to go share it with other people. Like that hurdle is too big for them for to actually collect money that could actually make a difference. And for some people that's the case. For other people, they're like me, they're like, wow, this is incredible. You get $1,100 and all I gotta do is share this with four people. Are you serious? So it is wherever you are at. Typically it's limiting beliefs that hold people back from great opportunities. I think this is an amazing opportunity just because it's so affordable. Again, you pay $5, you invest $5, you get $5 back. And then you're locked in to these promotions for as long as they're doing them. You don't have to pay extra, but you can collect the bonus offers. You can collect the $5 every time you refer someone. So I throw up videos, and whenever someone comes in and I refer and they invest, I make $5. Even if I don't make the promotion, I'm still making $5. It's working for me 24/7. You see what I'm saying? Anyway, I hope you got value from this. Again, the only thing you have to do right now is go to, where did it go? I guess, oh, there it is. Go to the link in the description of this video. Come down here to where it says Acorns Investment App. Click on that link. I'll click on it for you so you can see what it looks like. Click on redeem my offer. You're going to invest your $5 and you're good to go. You're going to get your own referral link and you can go share it with people and go meet the promotion requirements. Okay. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you and I'll see you on the next one.